Welcome all to my channel Learning Laws with CS Ishu Sani. In this video, we will break down the concept of a non-objection certificate or a NOC in simple terms with real-world legal and corporate examples. What is NOC? A no-objection certificate is simple yet powerful legal document. It means that a person or authority has no objection to what another party wants to do, like using a property, transferring shares, or resigning as a director. What are the common examples of NOC? First, for example, change of registered office, landlord, issued by a landlord, consent to use the premises, in case of share transfer, issued by the shareholders for no objection to transfer, director's resignation issued by the company, confirms the release from his duties, NBFC acquisitions issued by the promoters, consent to share transfer, in trademark cases where the brand owner issued the NOC and permit to use the name or logo. NOCs are used in various legal and corporate transactions. If you want to use commercial office space as your company's registered office, your landlord must give you an NOC. Or where a shareholder agrees to a share transfer, they can issue an NOC to confirm their consent. This is a sample format for an NOC. It should clearly state who is issuing it and to whom and for what reasons, and it must be signed and dated. Very often, and the ID proofs or the resident proof is also attached when it is submitted to certain government authorities. Is NOC legally binding? Yes, while an NOC isn't a contract, it serves a written evidence of consent. It's especially important in ROC filings, loan approvals, and third party permissions. NOC is no objection certificate. To summarize it up, the NOC is a powerful supporting document that provide clarities and protect both parties. Keep it simple, specific, and signed. If you found this useful, give it a like and subscribe for more such explainers. Need a sample NOC format? Drop a comment below. I will share it with you. Thank you. Thank you for watching.